the initial tick on Wipro is out. The Q3 PAT at 1720 crores versus poll of 1635. So yes, they have managed to do that as well. In fact, if I just do the basic math, 1720 crores would mean a growth. Wow, I mean that's an impressive number. I think that's a 5 or a 6% quarter-on-quarter growth in net profit, which is significant. And compared to what Wipro has done till now, okay, their sales are out and well, almost 11,000 odd crores. So that's that's stable. That's around 2.3 or 2.4%. So there's no surprise out there. But the PAT is a stunning surprise, 5% higher on a quarter-on-quarter basis, where the expectations were 1.5%. Now, we do not know how much of this is contributed by Forex, and I think that commentary will be important as well. And also will be important as to whether there has been a bit of a margin uptick that has come in for Wipro also or no, expecting 17.5%. But this is a superb number. So, it just shows the kind of mood that the IT sector is in. All four numbers from the four heavyweights that have come out right now have been spectacular. Wipro follows on suit with after what all the three did, and at least there was hope that Wipro will not disappoint. They haven't done that. They actually done so well. So 1716 or 1720 crores, which is it's stunning, Ayesha. No other word for it. And typically Wipro and Infy haven't managed to do that for the last 3 quarters. That Infy did it, okay, but Wipro in this quarter itself has done it. Is spectacular. The commentary will be important too.
Right, and like we've been talking about, it's all about expectation management. So most of the IT majors have under-promised and over-deliver, which is why the street as well has been rewarding. If you were to bring up the year-to-date charts for Wipro, Infy, TCS, as well as HCL Technology, it'll get you a better sense of how the street has really gone ahead and rewarded all these majors. We saw it with Infy, TCS, HCL Technologies yesterday, and today it's Wipro's turn to actually pick up the rewards from the street. So
I think the EBIT numbers are at 1945 crores, and if I just look at the revenues which have notched up a little bit, I think the EBIT margins would be around 17.7 or thereabouts. So there's no major change as far as the EBIT numbers or the EBIT margin numbers go. They'll be stable at 17.5. So no disappointment out there, and which is why we're really interested to know how is it that they've managed to do this on the bottom line front, because it's been a stellar jump on the bottom line for sure. 1635, and they've come in at 1716. It's very nice. I must say 6.5% quarter-on-quarter growth is no mean feat, especially from Wipro, which really hasn't able to outperform market expectations for the last 3 or 4 or 5 quarters, if I'm not wrong. So I think it'll be really nice to hear Korean team speak today to Nikunj about how this quarter has been and how the quarters ahead would look like, more importantly. But great show by Wipro as well. So the IT juggernaut continues. We just heard technical experts speak about how the setup looks okay, the charts look okay, and Wipro hasn't disappointed, which is probably another chip on the shoulder for the pack as a whole.